In this video, I will show you how to change Mostbet password. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So to change your Mostbet password, you click on your menu and then you're going to scroll down to profile and withdrawal. As you come back to profile and withdrawal, you're going to click on personal data. On personal data, you click on password. Now here you're going to put in your old password and then go ahead and put in the new password and repeat the new password. Once you do that, you just click on save and they're going to ask you for verification in your email address. And once that's done, you are going to save your new password. And that's how to change your Mostbet password.